What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be playing the presentation experience. I'm pretty sure you've heard it before, and they've added some new stuff since I've last played. So let's go ahead and hop into this. And if you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. It's player_519 on Twitch and YouTube. 50 subs. I will have a Discord server up, and on Twitch I will be live next weekend. Now, let's get straight into this. Oh no. So we're in the game right now. And I don't know. Okay, so we have no clue what is gonna go on. Is my daily thing yet ready? Yes, it is. Alright. But now, I guess that's something new. Oh well. But I guess we're just gonna play the game. What's the most expensive thing? Jetpack for 27. Is that what I think it is? Yeah, we're gonna save for that. Playtime reward. It actually notifies you about that now. This game just keeps getting better and better. Hey, who's booing, bro? Who doesn't want to learn about birthday celebrations around the world? Anyways, yes, we have voice chat. No, we're not gonna use it because nobody uses voice chat in this game. Okay, I'm sorry, guys, but excuse me. Should we? Bet. Okay. That was kind of pointless. We basically just made the video duration longer. But I guess that's alright. If you guys watch the video, then that's fine. Oh yeah, watch to the end to see me hack the fire alarm. Okay, he did the regular one. I don't want to invite any friends.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Okay, I might have started something.
Okay.
Exclusive. Let's see what else we have. Robux. Let's turn on point rate becomes fat. But yeah, there's not really much I can do in this because the gems I have is not a lot. You made the teacher crash out just by saying 6'7". It's just like a real world class now. Like, what is this? Yeah, we're done. Okay. Okay, wow, they just did the same thing I did. Let's take off the Christmas hat for that. Is that the deer, bro?
Patapim, il mio cappello è pieno di steam. Che confusione, salta la rana.
Okay, so we have a bunch of brain rot going on, but what do you sleep on? Yeah, I think I sleep on a bed. Spoon is for cutting wood. Winter is always hot now. Okay. No, I think we sleep on a chair, actually. Yeah, we sleep on a chair, guys. Okay. 20 points, nice.
This is the worst class ever.
Spin wheel. I don't have any spins, no.
Tralalero tralala.
Aw.
Tralalero tralala. Tralalero tralalero.
If I hear another tra-la-la, I would do the 6'7" thing. Yeah, so if I hear it again, I will do that 6-7 thing again. Mega Burp?
Ada kejadian misterius yang hanya muncul.
I'm about to make any brain rot count. Where did I even find it at? I don't know where I found it at, guys. Definitely not in here. Yeah. There it is. Okay. Bro. Okay, so anyways, now that that silence is over, I guess me. Why we have teeth? We born with teeth. Yeah, we born with teeth. Yeah. Screw it. Yeah, we just disappeared, bro. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. My bad, guys. Yeah, I didn't mean to do that. Yeah. Well, we ain't leaving until we hack this fire alarm. Oh. Yo. Your mom. Okay, so that email is basically just somebody exploding because they say 6-7 too much, but if that happened in real life, I'd be a little bit happier. I don't have premium. Oh, yeah, Mega Poop. What would that do? If you guys want to see that, next episode of the presentation experience, then be my guest. Comment down below, Mega Poop. Jesus. If I hear 6-7 one more time, good night. You don't look like you're sleeping. You look like you're cheating and heads up 7-Up. What are you doing? Wake up. Alright. 24. What? What is that thing? You know what? Yeah, might as well. Sorry, guys. I completed a quest too, but I do. Oh. Touch grass? Oh. In order to do that. No! I got a new quest.
Okay.
Oh no, we're getting a little too close there, bud. Yo, call mom. Yo, should we call mom? Oh no. I forgot to do my homework. No, pigs can't fly, water support me. Yes, is one a number? Oh no, that's hard. Oh no, I just gotta guess.
Wow.
Yippee! Alright guys, hurry up and finish your homework. But guys, should we call mother? Nah. Points are better spent on this thing. What? It doesn't last long at all. Waste. We have to wait 3 more minutes for 200 points. What's the max we can get? Oh. Yeah, we're gonna have to get that. Go VC servers. Nobody's in those. Nobody is in VC servers anymore. You know what? I'm wearing a Christmas hat.
No. Yes. No.
Yo. Oh yeah, I'll rate. I get 5 more points by doing that. Wow.
Yes.
With 10 stars. How do you unicorn teeth, bruh? First, you gotta go to powerful.
Hanyalah manusia biasa karena mengalami.
Yeah, guys, I just used up all our points in one experience, bro. I'm sorry, guys.
Okay.
16, wow.
Subscribe
Okay, we got a bunch of points from that.
or have bad luck.
Oh, man. 1 more minute till 200 points. I'm gonna stop spending for a little while. You know? I mean, I guess videos get long. You know. Comment down below if 6-7 is annoying. Like, just do it. There's probably so many copyrighted songs in
Why
this
you bullying
game.
me?
Well, no, it's a Roblox game, so I guess not. They'd get taken down. Oh well. code.
Baba Booey.
We got codes. Wait, we got codes? Wow. Use code, guys. Use code. You just got free code right there. Gives you 15 points. I don't know what that'll do for you, but good for you if you claim it. Wait. Yo. So, I'm not gonna spend for a little while. Oh no.
It's about drive, it's about power. We stay hungry, we devour. Put in the work, put in the hours, and take what's ours.
The difference between poop and this class. Well, that's really hard, but easy at the same time. Let's look at the Robux sections. Write the next subject for 49 gems, or be the teacher for 99. Ooh, we're gonna have to do that eventually, guys. Oh no, will there be a part 2? No. This guy's censored, bro. This guy's typing in something obnoxiously long. Sure.
Bruh.
Wow, he still didn't beat me.
I hate this class.
So, I guess I'm the best presentator, so yeah, 16 stars is pretty good. Oh my. Is fish an animal? Definitely, yeah, I guess. Is the sun hot? Oh no, I think it's freezing. Hold on, I gotta go outside and check. Alright, yes it is hot. Yes, it is hot. I burnt my hand. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I did that yesterday night, I think. Yeah, totally. I did that yesterday night, guys. I did that yesterday night. Guys. Boy, be quiet. We are almost... Alright, 444 points. We just need, like, what? Oh. Yeah, we need a lot more than that to hack the fire alarm later on. Like, that's an option, I guess. Oh.
Yeah.
There's nobody there. Oh, he exploded. Okay. Well, I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna check on my... Yeah, never mind. We're gonna get out of that. But...
He needs some milk.
Jetpack for 5 seconds for 200 points. That's like... That's not worth it. Might as well.
Why you bullying
You know? You gotta throw something. It's just a rule. At this point. Did he just explode? Everybody exploding in this class. Memes. Ew. Really? Completed a quest. Alright. Touch grass for 10 seconds. Earned 15 levels on a server. Wow, I've only earned 2. Oh no. Let's look at my... So you have to wait a minute for another quest. Gotta hope that quest is easier, but we gotta wait about 35 seconds for these 250 coins. That'll help us get hacking that fire alarm. Now's not the time for a pizza party. Hey, maybe I can touch grass while I hack the fire alarm. This better be worth 999 points, because if not, I'm gonna be mad. My playtime award. Ooh, we're close, guys. And the quest. Basic 25 basic actions. I can do that. You guys ready? I'm gonna cough 30 times.
Is they give you the property.
Boom. Okay, we lost. That cost 10 more points than what I got, so we just lost points by doing that, but oh well. You are not Mr. Beast, I'm sorry, but you ain't Mr. Beast. Sit down. Be poor like the rest of us. What did you just explode?
I bought a property in Egypt, and what
Okay.
they do for you is they give you the property.
So, who was pretending to
I
be
bought a property
Mr.
in Egypt,
Beast?
and what they do for you is they give you the property.
Subscribe to
Who is talking? Who is yapping right now?
Bad Luck. Subscribe to
Nah, bro, you get it too.
or have bad luck.
Can't have you beaten my score?
Or have bad luck.
Stop it! Guys, we're almost at 800. That would mean... Oh no. 199 more to go. Tires back. What? Yeah. No. Saturday. Well, dude, you gave me questions that are like, what? Give me 10 seconds to answer them. You shouldn't get any points. You should be fired. Yelling in my face like that? Who you talking to? Just for that?
I bought a property in Egypt, and what they do for you
Yeah.
is they give you the property.
We're good.
It's about
Okay, so you're going up, but why am I going
put in the
down?
hours and take what's ours. Subscribe to
What happened to your face? That's what you look like without makeup? Ugh. You are insane, my friend. You're behind me. Yo, wait, you...
subscribe to
Yo, I'm sorry, but you behind me, you're a little too, like,
Yeah.
quiet for me. Boom, I instantly spent those 5 points, bro. That I just got from voting, I instantly spent that. So I gained $0. Alright, guys.
Subscribe to.
Let's go here. We have 1 minute until we're going to be able to claim hacking the fire alarm. So, I guess we'll do the end credits now. Be sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, this bodyguard right here, right there, that you're inside of right now, he will hunt you down. Maybe even this one. You don't want to get on Jerry's bad side, alright? And if you subscribe, this guy will be quiet. Dang, you guys didn't subscribe, that's weird. But follow player_5190 on Twitch. We will be live weekends, etc., etc., etc. Now we have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We officially have an episode, so oh my gosh.
Why you fooling me?
What is going ah? Ah. Touch grass for 10 seconds. I did it. We officially hacked the fire alarm. Yeah, that's right, bro. What is happening, bro? I'm touching grass. Bruh. Well, anyway, I hacked the fire alarm like you guys asked. I already did those unfriended stuff that YouTubers do, I guess. And answer me in the comments. I know I'm asking you a lot in the comments, but answer me. Why did my cat video get more views than my actual, like, what I'm doing video? I didn't even try in that video. Please tell me that. And have a good night and good